Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review on my new steering wheel cover for Tacoma trucks. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending us out for reviews, so let's go ahead and take an actual look at it. I literally just took it out of the plastic and this is what it looks like. So it has the foam in here. They do make it in different designs, so it doesn't have to just be these three colors on here. But it feels very sturdy, but let's go ahead and actually put it onto the truck and see how it looks. Alright, and this is what it looks like once you install it. Like I said, I have a Toyota Tacoma. It was super easy. Just stretch it over the wheel, adjust it, and you're done. You don't need no tools or anything like that. It fits tightly and stays in place, so you don't have to worry about it shifting or sliding around. The design is super cool. It's like a retro tricolor stripe that adds the right amount of style, sporty, clean look. Plus, the slim design keeps the original feel of the steering wheel, so it feels comfortable and easy to grip. As for the material, it's made of 100% leather. It means it's soft, durable, and built to last. The leather is also breathable and sweat absorbent, so it's comfortable to use in any weather. No sticky hands in the summer or cold, stiff leather in the winter. It just feels good every time you grab the steering wheel. And when it comes to cleaning it, shouldn't be any hassle at all. Just wipe it down with like a damp cloth and it's as good as new. It's perfect if you want something that looks great but doesn't take a lot of effort to maintain. If you're looking for something to protect your steering wheel, add a little style, and keep driving comfortable, this retro tricolor striped leather steering wheel cover is a great choice. You do also offer them in a variety of colors. They also have one in black, gray, white, as well as one in blue and white as well. Overall, the steering wheel cover is a solid upgrade for any Toyota owner. Overall, this leather steering wheel cover is a great choice. It's super easy to put on, looks stylish, feels comfortable to grip. It does protect the steering wheel as well, and it is built to last. If you want something that looks good and works great, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.